You want to contribute on open source, but you don't know how to start. Watch this video. I want to talk about a start point for you, and you can take this start point and start your journey on open source. Let's talk about some issues and code review paths. We are looking for some contributors, and I want to show some of these issues and talk about them a little. And also, I want to talk about how you can find issues and what the good issue to start. As you can see in our code review paths project, we have some issues here, and we are looking for contributor. And there is some labeled issue called good first issue. And these issues are best for starting your journey. Normally, issues labeled with good first issue are very simple and very easy, but sometimes they are not clear for you to understand. Uh, like my friends make an issue called add PR link to click, and when you watch this issue, you think with yourself, what should I do? What is this? Where is this? And for know how it's work and what code you should to change and how you can contribute, you need two things. First, you must to set up project in your computer. We are using Docker and Sail here, and this is a normal Laravel app with White and Laravel, and you can check the Laravel documentation for start this project on your computer. And also, you can ask here about, could you tell me where should to start and what should I know about this issue? About this issue, you need to know a little bit of PHP, maybe Laravel, and React.js. And also we have a demo here. It's production, but it's not completed yet. We are using for demo, and you can log in with GitHub. As you can see, it's logged in with GitHub, and check the issue, add PR link on click. What it means you must to go on pull request sections, and there is no pull request yet. I can find the pull request here. Oh, just found an open PR pull request here, and I want to add this PR in our system. It just need to copy this PR link, add pull request, paste the repository URL. It's happened because I have not access to this repository. Okay, I found a PR in one of my repositories, and I have added this here. As you can see here, the title is linked, and when I click on title, it will open the pull request here, as you can see. But what we need is about this repository, and we need to, if you click on here, you must to redirect to the repository and watch the repository in separate page. It was just a sample, and if you want to contribute on any open source project, you just need to ask and check how the project works and run project in your local, or watch the demo and ask them how I can contribute in your project and how can I start. We are open to help you to start your journey in open source. This is a voluntary project, and we help and people help each other to learn and grow ourselves. Also, we have a Discord server here. I will put the link in description, and you can subscribe to the Discord server. Here we can talk about something open source and help you to start your journey. Also, we have a voice channel here. We can set up a meeting and talk about it. So don't worry and do not hesitate to ask a question. We are available. If you like the video, please like. It will help to other people's watch this video and help on projects and start their journey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.